Hello friends, today we are comparing Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 versus Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. First we discuss specifications. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 drivers, 50 nano-clear speakers, wireless connectivity, Bluetooth and proprietary wireless technology. Mic, flip to mute, high sensitivity, audio control, on-ear volume and mic monitoring. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. Drivers, 50 nano clear speakers, wireless connectivity, Bluetooth and proprietary wireless technology. Mic, high sensitivity, detachable, audio control, on-ear volume and mic monitoring plus Bluetooth controls. Battery life, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Battery life up to 15-hour charging, micro USB. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. Battery life up to 40-hour charging, USB-C. Sound quality, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3, known for delivering clear, powerful sound with good bass. It features a decent sound profile for gaming with adjustable settings through Turtle Beach Sound Audio Hub software. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max generally provides superior sound quality with more depth and clarity. It also supports enhanced audio features through its software like the Turtle Beach Control Studio, which can offer a more customized sound experience. Comfort and fit, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 padding, over-ear with memory foam cushions, headband, adjustable, but some users find it slightly less comfortable for extended wear compared to the Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max padding, over-ear with Prospex glasses, friendly, air cushions and cooling gel infused memory foam. Headband, premium adjustable headband designed for long-term comfort. Active noise cancellation, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 does not have active noise cancellation. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. The Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max features active noise cancellation to help block out external noise, which can enhance focus during gaming or listening. Which is better, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3? Stealth 600 Generation 3 is a more budget-friendly option with decent performance. It lacks active noise cancellation and has a shorter battery life, but is still a solid choice for gamers who don't need the premium features. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max. Stealth 700 Generation 2 Max is generally the superior model in terms of battery life, sound quality, and comfort. The active noise cancellation features also provide an edge if you want to minimize external distraction.